The Eid of the goat and a little Eidi. The summer holidays were on, and Haris, Ali, and Noor were eagerly counting down the days to Bakra Eid. In every corner of the street, the bleating of goats, me, echoed from different homes, and the kids would burst with excitement every time they heard it. Ali said, "This time I want 500 rupees as Eidi." Noor added, "I just want to see a dumba, a big black one like last year." Haris smiled and said, "And I love handing out the meat packets. That's the best part." A day before Eid, Haris's father brought home a big, majestic white goat. It had a shiny bell and a beautiful, spotless coat. The kids were thrilled and nicknamed it Bakra, the king goat. On Eid morning, the children wore their new clothes, went to the mosque for Eid prayer with their families, and returned home excited for the Qurbani, sacrifice. Haris, Ali, and Noor watched with curiosity as Haris's father performed the sacrifice with care and devotion. Haris's mother gently explained, "This isn't just about meat. It's a command from Allah and a right of the poor." Afterward, the kids helped prepare and pack the meat into clean bags. Each packet had a sticker on it that read, "Eid Mubarak, you're right." They then walked around their neighborhood, distributing meat to neighbors and those in need. The first packet was handed to an elderly man who didn't have the means to offer his own Qurbani. His warm smile made Haris say, "Now this feels like real Eid." The next day, Ali's house got a dumba, big, round, and completely black. Noor instantly named him Kalu Bai and spent the day taking selfies with it. Ali was feeding it leaves while laughing, and Haris brought it water. The scene was filled with laughter and fun. On the third day of Eid, the kids went to the park with their Eidi. Haris bought a remote control car, Noor got a doll, and Ali got a mini drone. They ate ice cream, played games, and enjoyed the cool breeze under a tree. As the sun began to set, they sat on Haris's rooftop under fairy lights, enjoying the calm evening. Haris said, "Eid isn't just about goats or gifts. It's about sharing, caring, and spreading happiness." Moral: Eid ul-Adha is not just about sacrifice. It's about compassion, generosity, and community. Sharing with others and bringing smiles to their faces is the true spirit of Eid. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.